Welcome to day 5 of our 12 days of fitness. Today we're starting with balance and stability using a ball. And the first exercise we're going to do is just a light bounce. I like this because it helps engage the core. As you are sitting on the ball and bouncing, you have to engage your core to keep from rolling off the ball. So you can do this about a minute if you're working with me at home. The next exercise we're going to do is alternating arms and legs while we're marching. So we'll lift up one arm and the opposite leg. If you've got a little bit of trouble with your balance, you can be near a chair or the counter at home while you're doing these. The next exercise we're going to do is knee extension. I'm going to extend one knee and then the other. If you've got a little bit of trouble with your balance when you're doing these exercises, you can either hold a counter or put a chair nearby to help you stay more stable. And again, you'll want to do about 10 on each side. The last exercise we're going to do today is the chops and lifts. So what I'm going to do is take a weighted ball. This one weighs about 8 pounds, and I'm going to go from one hip to the opposite shoulder, doing one side at a time. These strengthen both the arms and the core. After you've done 10 on one side, you can go ahead and switch over to the other side. These exercises will strengthen your core and improve your balance over time. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day 6.